Guys, and this is your lecture for Unit 2, and the name of the topic is the brain. Okay, in this lecture, we will discuss about assignment. And the question one is fill in the blanks. जो फर्स्ट पॉइंट है वो है cerebrum controls the dash action. Cerebrum controls the dash action, and that is voluntary action. Second, dash billion neurons make up brain, and that is 100 billion neurons make up brain. Next है dash is located below the cerebrum. Cerebellum is located below the cerebrum. Next, brain looks like a large dash grey walnut. Brain looks like a large pinkish grey walnut. Last है dash is the control center of the body, and that is human brain is the control center of the body. Okay. अब question 2 है write T for true statement and F for wrong statement. First है we are blessed with an amazing organ is brain. That is true. Second, the largest part of the brain is medulla. That is false. क्योंकि लार्जेस्ट पार्ट जो है वो है सेरिबेलम का. लार्जेस्ट पार्ट क्या है ब्रेन का, कौन सा है, डेट इज सेरिबेलम. थर्ड है द ह्यूमन ब्रेन इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 7 मेन पार्ट्स. डेट इज फॉल्स, क्योंकि द ह्यूमन ब्रेन इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 3 मेन पार्ट्स. ओके. 4 है द लोएस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द ब्रेन इन द ह्यूमन बॉडी इज cerebrum. That is false. The lowest part of the brain in the human body is medulla. Last at the right half of the cerebellum controls the left side of the body, and that is true. Third question है circle the correct answer. First है control center of the body, A brain, B heart, C skull. That is A brain. Second, topmost and the largest part of the skull, A cerebrum, B cerebellum, C medulla. That is A cerebrum. Third, the bone that protects the brain, A skull, B spinal cord, C neuron. That is A skull. 4, dash controls breathing, digesting and the beating of the heart muscle, A medulla, B cerebrum, C cerebellum. That is A medulla. Last है a large pinkish grey walnut, A brain, B nerve cell, C skull. That is A brain. Fourth question है answer the following questions on a separate page. And the question 1 is where the where the cerebrum, the cerebellum and the medulla is located. The cerebrum is the topmost and the largest part of the brain and is located in front area of the skull. The cerebrum is the topmost and the largest part of the brain and is located in front area of the skull. The cerebellum is located below the cerebrum and above the medulla. The lowest part of the brain is called medulla and is located below the pons and above the spinal cord. Okay. Next है how does the brain connects with the rest of the body? And the answer is it connects with the body through the spinal cord. Next है how does the brain help us? And the answer is the brain works like a big computer. It processes information that it receives from the senses and body and send messages back to the body. Okay. Next, name the three parts of the brain. And the answer is the human brain is divided into three main parts: the cerebrum, the cerebellum, and the medulla. Last question है बेटा. Write 5 daily activities that are controlled by that part of the brain. इसका आप ये जो है ना, इसका आपने पहले बनाना है कॉलम. 3 कॉलम बनाएंगे आप. फर्स्ट में ऊपर लिखेंगे आप सेरिब्रम, सेकंड कॉलम में सेरिबेलम, थर्ड में मिडेला. फर्स्ट पॉइंट आएगा सेरिब्रम का, रीडिंग, सेकंड फीलिंग, थर्ड सीइंग, फोर्थ थिंकिंग, 5 लिसनिंग. ये 5 पॉइंट्स हैं आपके सेरिब्रम के. नेक्स्ट जो आपने बनाया है कॉलम वो है सेरिबेलम का. फर्स्ट रनिंग, सेकंड जंपिंग, थर्ड वॉकिंग, फोर्थ सिटिंग. थर्ड कॉलम है मिडेला का. फर्स्ट डाइजेस्टिंग, सेकंड ब्रीदिंग, थर्ड स्लीपिंग, फोर्थ हार्ट रेट एंड 5 ईटिंग. ओके. नेक्स्ट जो आपका असाइनमेंट में क्वेश्चन है वो है आपने ब्रेन की डायग्राम ड्रॉ भी करनी और आपने लेबल भी करना है. ओके. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. टिल देन टेक केयर.